Hello everyone, welcome to winsides.com. In this video, we will check out various methods to open command prompt as administrator. Method 1. Using the start menu. Go to the start menu. Now search for command prompt. Here you can find the option run as administrator, or you can right click on the app and you can click on run as administrator. Method 2. Using the run command. Go to the run command and type the command CMD and press Ctrl, Shift and Enter together. This will open command prompt as administrator. In the next method, we will use Task Manager. Right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. The Task Manager will now open. Here, click on Run New Task. Type the command CMD and make sure to check the box Run with Administrator Privileges. Finally, you can click on OK. This will open command prompt with Administrator Privileges. Next method, we will create a dedicated shortcut. Click on New Shortcut. Type the location of the item, enter CMD, click Next. Please leave name of the shortcut as it is and click Finish. Now the shortcut is created. Right click on that and go to Properties. Here you can find the button Advanced. Click on that. Now Advanced Properties will open. Make sure to check the box Run as Administrator and click Apply. And that is it. Every time you run CMD, it will run as Administrator.